about sign up, right? In this, I'm going to talk about after sign up, anybody can log in. You got the agenda? E
Yeah.
last here, I have to put which button? Kill you. I need to put another button that is help me.
Sign up.
Sign up, right? Purpose. When you click on this button, right, guy button, you want to open which page?
Sign up page.
Sign
Sign up page.
up.jsp. If you know the thing, then only you can understand, right? And here you want to make another color. You know, when you click on the button, you want to call a JSP file. You can use hyperlink. Yes? Yeah. In href, you can mention the name of the page which you want to open. I want to open signup.jsp. Clear? So what happened, man? Refresh it, and when you click on it, which page would be open?
Sign up.
Signup.jsp. Here you can put a username. Say yes. Password. Reply. Then email ID. Not clear.
Yeah,
Already
clear.
we have done it. Nobody can say I don't know. If you say I don't know, you don't know anything. Simple. Hmm. Yes or no? Like here, if you are not doing anything, if you are not opening your mouth, you are not doing practice, nobody can teach you. I'm telling you.
Yes.
So please go and do it and come back. Simple. So here, I just want to use any image. This one. How to copy image? You know it. Copy image address. So here you can paste it, right? I'm done. Yep. And this is sign up page. You got it? So my intention is using this username password, I should log in.
Log in.
So how you can do that? You can make another hyperlink on which page? On the GSP. Sir, here you want to make a button, right? You see my style of copy paste? Yes. Like here, I have a button and you want to go to which GSP? Login dot, sorry, STM page, okay? Say yes. Login. People, refresh it. You see the button?
Yep.
You have to always say yes, right? Here you can put another hyperlink, refresh it. Can you see this? Now, when you click on this button, you will go to the login page. Clear? So what my intention is, when I enter my username password, right? If it is correct, you want to go to which page?
Home.
It is up to you, right? You can go
Yeah.
to the success or
That's it.
success.jsp. It is up to you, man. Okay. Where I should go? It is up to me. So guys, when you click on the login.html, right? Which servlet is called? Tell
Login
me.
shortly. Login.
Auth, AUTH, and auth is mapped over here, right? I guess. This is called. So you are taking username, password. Here we have hard code value, Jack and Jill, right? But you want to taste it from
Database.
database, right? Say
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Yep.
So in order to connect with database, I don't know. We have already code, right? Like this. So if you allow to me, at least you can copy this try catch part. Yes,
Yep.
and paste it. Sir, so here I can write my code. Try catch. Help me. Loading the driver, connecting to the database, right? Here I have to make the query. What query, man? Fetch, right? Select. Say yes.
Yep.
So you want to fetch what, man? Select these columns. It is up to you, right? You can fetch
Select.
only one column. It is up to you. From which table? This table, right? Where? Hmm.
Username.
Username, placeholder. Username equals to question mark
Question mark.
and password equals
Password
to
equal
question
to
mark.
question mark.
You should know it, right? You are saying, hey query, give me the username from the database where username is this and password is this. Give me the data, right? Yeah. So using prepare statement, you will compile the query. At first place holder, you are going to put username, right? and here you can put password. Getting my point? This is replaced by username, this is replaced by password. After that, in select query, you have to use execute query. I don't know, remember or not, right? So this will return the result, right? Result set, record in table. So using this, you can track whether result comes or not, right? So here you can use if condition, right? Because only one result comes. Hey, yes, right?
Yeah.
Hello, result is not no. So if else condition, right? So this you can put in the if condition, and this you can post in else condition. Oh, Mr. If everything is correct, you want to go to the success.jsp. Clear? Otherwise, failed out. If you got it, say I got it. Otherwise, I don't understand. My dear friends. Hello.
Now again, what's the difference in private statement and regular statement?
Actually, in regular statement, this problem is actually there is one issue that is called SQL injection. Are you following me?
Okay.
So using SQL injection, anybody can pass the parameter of their choice. That is the one problem, security issue. Second issue is if you want to fire the same query one again and again, prepare statement is better because it will come, you compile your query once and then you can say data again and again, right?
Yeah.
Another benefit of it.
Okay.
So security is, I think, main concern over here.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can use normal statement as well.
Normal statement too. All right.
It is called SQL injection.
Okay.
So here my intention is whatever username password is coming from the GUI, I'm just validating with database, right? I'm loading the driver, then making connection to it. Then here I'm writing my query. Hey, a database table, do you have username in the database where username and password is this? Make sense? Then fire the here compile the query. Then on placeholder, I'm setting my username password. Make sense? If result comes means record is there. Am I right or not?
Hmm.
Hello. You are saying, hey database table, give me the username, which username is this and password is this. Make sense or not?
Yeah.
So if you enter correct username password, if it is in database, then only it will go to the if condition. This is dummy data. Yes, you know.
Yep.
If you want, you can set correct data as well. You guys are not replying sometime. If you want to set the correct data, what you have to do? You can go to the signup servlet, right? And use this proper query. Really, I'll kill you. Okay, you guys are not replying because I want to fetch the sign up data.
Sign up data.
So you see my style. Okay. Yeah, you shouldn't bother about it. This is my query now. No? So in this, I want to fetch my particular data, right? Where username equals to question mark and password equals to question mark. Hello? Done. 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 Okay. You have to say okay. Done. And here you can set your username password. Oh, prepare statement. PSTMT dot set string one you name you pass. I don't know, you're following me or not?
Yeah.
So I have the query and here you can use it. Like here, hello,
Yes, we're here. Hello.
password. Then sign up is coming, right? So what you need to do? This sign up, right? You can put into which scope? Request scope, right? Oh, Mr. With Mota variable name and else you can go to reply man. Else you can go to this. That's it. Confused? My dear friends, reply.
Yeah, we
Don't
got it.
reply.
We got it.
So in success.jsp, you have to show the Mota thing from the Mota. So what you are showing over here? We are showing it, right?
Yeah.
Name, email, mobile.
What's the
I don't know
different attribute, I think.
age is there or not. I don't remember. Gender is there. I know that. Okay.
Yeah.
Gender, right? And here you can write gender. Only one row it will show you. Okay. 5 times. If allowed to me, you can run my program and you can validate with. Why are you not replying? Like here, whatever I'm doing, if you do the practice, Spring will be cup of tea for you. Everything will be cup of tea. But just go and just practice it very logically. Hmm? So this is which page? Hero. Which page is coming? Index.html, right? But I want to open which page by default? Login.html. What I need to do? In this web.xml file, we have to configure my welcome page. Which page should be my first page open? Help me.
Login. Login.
Login.html. So you can mention over here. Login dot. So what happened now, sir? If you run it again, if you don't give any page by default, which page will come as a first page?
Login page.
Login.html. I just mentioned it. Okay. Can you see this? Yeah. Now you want to do sign up first. My username is Joker, right? Password is TST Joker @gmail.com. Mobile number, image. Hello. Joker and password is test. Okay. Sign up. So, oh sir, you can see over here, right? If your username is Joker and password is, so it should go to which page?
Success.
Success.jsp, right? What happened to it? I don't know. It's showing error. Can
Show
you
the
see this?
console.
For error, you should always see the console. How dare
Show
you?
those
It's
attributes.
saying property name is not there. Make
Username
sense?
you need to put, yeah.
Because
Username, password, all
of
those things.
course name is not here, man. Name is not here. Name is not here. Name is not here. What is there?
Username.
Username. Right.
Username,
So when
password.
property name is not correct, it will give the error. Now it's fine. Can you see this? If you enter wrong username password, what happened? It will go to
Yeah.
fail.html file. That's it. Are you following me? Like here, your fail dot, you know HTML, right? HTML means it is static. So it is going to fail.html. Here you can make a hyperlink. Allow me. What you can make? You can make a hyperlink as a button, or you can put hyperlink as an image, right? Smart people,
Again,
image as a hyperlink. Just a second.
uh,
So here you want to come to login.html, right? And here I can say logout. Hmm. Hey, this is clear to you? When you click on this photo, see, yes.
yeah,
When you click on this photo, right, you'll go to which page?
login HTML.
Can you see this? Logout, login.html. Yeah, somebody saying something. Please tell me.
We put a message on the incorrect password. Where did the message go?
Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. Your question is if username password is incorrect, right? So you want to come to the same page?
Same page with the message.
Yeah, we can do that. But if you want to show the dynamic message, it should be JSP file. Right now it is STM. Allow me. What I can do? Can I rename it?
Yeah.
If you want to show the message on the JSP dynamically, right? On this, it should be JSP or HTML. In
JSP.
this, you can't show it.
JSP.
You have to make it JSP. Rename it, right? What I'm doing, I'm just changing its extension, right? So everywhere, what we have to do, sir? Oh man,
Make
where
it
you have
JSP.
hyperlink, you have to make .jsp. This is the first place, and that's it. So what you need to do, when you are clicking on this button, you are calling auth. Say yes.
Yeah.
And here, when your username password is incorrect, you are coming over here, right? So if
Next.
username password is incorrect, you want to go to which page now? Login dot.
Login page. Login to JSP.
JSP.
If you want to show the message, you would say here request scope dot set attribute. Using this, request is a scope, right? In JSP servlet, we have 4 scope: Mugit, page, request, session, and application. So I'm using which scope? Request scope.
Request.
I am saying here request scope. Here you can write any variable name. I'm just giving message. And here you can write the message of your choice. Hey, username equals to whatever, right? Username. Okay, what you are going to write? Hey, username equals to this, and password E equals to whatever, right?
You pass.
All wrong. Understand dynamic
You
message
pass.
or
Yeah.
not correct? People reply. You got it? So this message I am setting into which scope? Let me write it. Setting this
Request
message
scope.
inside request scope. Hey, how many scope we have? Scope is basically used to transfer the data between servlet and JSP, right? So from the servlet, I want to send this message, right, as a key in request scope. How many scope we have in JSP servlet?
4.
Page scope, request scope, session scope, and application. I'll show you the use of all, okay? And this is also the scope increasing visibility. Which one is the least? Page, then request scope, then session scope. Which one is the, you know, highest visibility scope? Application scope. Make sense or confused? Hello?
Got it.
Right? And you can go to the login.jsp and you can show the message back. Where? Open the JSP file. And you can show the message, oh man, in between the photo, right? You can using span. I'll kill you reply. What do you want to show? Message using EL, right? Dollar. And here you can write the key name. This will pick the what? Message from which scope? Request scope.
Request scope.
And using inline CSS, we have 3 kind of CSS. Cascade style sheet. Inline, internal, and external. Internal you can say local as well. This is called inline. You want to make color equals to red, font size 18px, right? And font weight you can make bold. I hope I'm making myself clear. Hello.
Yeah.
So what happened? This will show you the message, right? Now, and this message only will be visible in the login page when you are redirecting from this servlet, right? Else it will go in the else when your username password is
Incorrect.
this. You understand? If you're writing a T message key, then your login.jsp you have to use which key?
T message. T message.
Dollar. This is called EL, right? Here you can write one more syntax: request dot request scope dot. This is also correct. This is EL implicit object request scope. Are you following me? Either you can write only T message or you can mention the scope dot R small S capital. Remember it. So what I need to do now, man? If you enter wrong username password, it will come to the same page, and here it will show you the message of
You
red
probably
color.
have to.
Can you see this? It is looking bad. Okay. So in order to make it nice, you can put it over here. Yeah. People, username, password, login. See? Hello,
Sir.
Jack Angel. I don't know you got it or not.
Yeah.
So guys, whatever I'm doing, it's really a big thing, but you have to make your hand dirty. Take help from the SEMA, right? And do all those things. So next thing which I want to teach you is filter. What, man?
Filter.
Filter. Filter is a component. When you make a request, right? Request means you want to open any page or you want to make a call to the servlet. Who will come in the picture first? Filter, right? Filter is acting as a guard. there is an office, right? So what guard does when you go inside the office, he will ask like, hey, who you are, right? Show me your identity. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So he will interrupt you two times, right? First time when you try to go inside, he will issue a card to you, right? Using that card, you can go inside, and when you come back, you have to return card back to him, right? So same thing. Who's going to do over here? Filter,
Filter.
filter. So you can design the filter how? Like here, if you want to design the filter, you can go and make a class. Allow me, and it name could be anything. Welcome filter. You can give any name to it, right, man? So if you want to write the filter, here you have to use annotation web filter. Which annotation? And here, you want to intercept particular servlet or all, every request. You can use this one.
That's
Slash
possible,
star
right?
means I want to intercept all the
All
requests.
the
And if you want
okay.
to make filter, you have to implement this filter interface.
Interface.
An interface contains, it is coming from javax.servlet, in which contains a method declaration. So you have to override all the methods, right? Can you see this? How? Click on it and add unimplemented methods. So you have to just focus on do filter, write your logic over here. Got it? So basically what I want to do, servlet request, this is used to take input, right?
Yeah.
So this, downcasting. I can, if I want to get more feature, I can use HTTP servlet request. Are you following me? HTTP servlet is the sub interface of servlet request. Then you can downcast it. Why I'm downcasting it? So that I can get a more feature. Okay. Hmm? So what I'm trying to do, sir? Oh man, here using get servlet path. Hmm. Actually, whatever URL pattern you are hitting, whatever pages you are hitting, you just want to print the name of it, right? What? Requested resource. Guys, reply. What it is going to print? All the requested resource. Hmm? Requested. I'll kill you. Reply.
You
What is the
don't
purpose of it?
do what?
This is acting as a filter. It's saying this request, this resource is being requested. After that, you will say, hey, go and go and go and access your resource. How can you say go? You can use chain dot do filter. Are you following me? And in this, you can pass your request and response. I don't know you're following me or not. What is it? What this method is doing? Go ahead. Are you following me? Go ahead. No. Or requested resource. Are you following me? If you want, you can block the resource. Are you following me? Like you want only some IP is allowed. You can do write the code for it. So this filter is going to do what? Any guess, guys? Whatever page you request, it will just print the requested resource name. Shall I try? Click on the login button. I think we have to restart it. So filter is doing in filter, you can write your custom logic. Suppose you have a website and you want it should be only accessible between this time to this time. You can write the filter for it. Can you see this now? Which page you have access?
Index.
Index.html. Click on the login button. It's not doing anything. Give me a second. No,
Quick question. We put our
no.
default
Actually, in that we don't have action. Okay, let's delete it.
yeah,
Actually, we should access which page, man?
login.
Login.jsp, right? Other thing we don't need it. So if you allow to me, I can delete it. It's okay. Hmm.
Yeah.
Now we have only on login.jsp you have action, right? Other places you don't have. Now what is the use of this filter? Whatever pages you are going to access, it will show you login. Again, it's not coming. Why? Can you see
Uh,
this now?
Yeah.
It's coming. Are you following me? So whatever pages here you are going to access which page now? Sign up, right? It will print the name of the page. See? Why, man? Because whatever request you are making to the server, first of all, who is coming in the picture? GSP,
Filter.
servlet, or this filter? Filter.
Filter is coming.
So in this, you can put some restriction also. For example, you don't want somebody should make a request to
Servlet.
fail.htm.
Okay.
Fail.htm. So here you can write the restriction. What man? Like here, suppose somebody is accessing which page? Help me. Requested
Fail.
resource dot contains what man? This one. Help me. If somebody is accessing which page man? Fail dot
HTML.
stm. So where you want to go? If somebody is accessing this page, you tell me where you want to go.
Login. Anywhere you can go, right?
Login dot. Anywhere you can go. So what you can do is, if this is the situation, you can, if you want, you can forward your request, right? Else, else you can go to the requested resource. What logic you write over here? Any guess? You would say that we have two options. Either you can use sane redirect. What man? Sane. Kill you.
Redirect.
Sane redirect. And it is not available in the response, right? It is not available in the servlet response. You have to typecast into HTTP servlet response. More feature type. Then in this you can write what? Sane redirect. HTTP servlet response, then dot what man? Sane redirect. And here you can write like here, this will give you the base URL context path. Reply. And this is not available. It is available in the HTTP, right? More feature request. Get servlet context. Hello slash. Where you want to go?
Login. Login.jsp.
Login dot e. So what happened because of it? Because of it, you would be never able to access which page?
Fail.
Fail.htm. When you type it, it will forward your request to, this will give you the base URL, right? Base URL means it will give you path till over here, right? Then on top of it, you want to go to the login.jsp. Allow me, can I do that?
Yeah.
How you can test it? Here you try to type what man? Fail.htm. Where you'll go?
Login.
Login. Okay. Like here it's trying to redirect it, but here it's doing something else, right? Wrong. So let me correct it. Instead of solid context, I think it's wrong. It should be get solid path. You got it? Actually, I just call the wrong function. Oh man, if I type over here what? Fail.htm.
Yeah.
It should go to.
Login.jsp.
You got the logic or not?
Yeah.
Like here again, I did mistake. This function is some
You're
wrong.
probably gonna have to restart maybe since we updated.
Dot get context path. I'm sorry. Which path? Get context path. This context path will give you what? Any guess? It will give you path, I think, till here. Let me try. What we need to type? Help me. We have to type. Guys, can you see this? Pim.
Yeah.
Not replying. So in this filter, when you are making a request, what I'm doing here, I'm just accessing the requested resource, which you are typing in the URL, right? Then I'm checking if it is fail.htm, where you should go. Not
Login.
replying. So you understand the role of the filter?
Yeah.
And here this filter will come for which request?
All the
All the
request.
requests. Let me write it. He filter, you will be called for all incoming request. This I'm teaching you knowingly because down the line I will teach a topic that is called Spring Security. So it will be used over there a lot. I don't know. You understand it or you got confused? When you are accessing any resource, typing in the browser, first of all, this filter will come in the picture, right? So this line will give you what? This is just doing downcasting. A servlet request, I am downcasting into HTTP servlet request.
Nagin,
From it,
so that request and the HTTP request is not the same thing?
no, same thing. This is superclass and this is subclass. So
Okay.
subclass will have more feature, you know.
Okay.
It has feature of this plus its own
Other
extra.
thing too. Okay. Okay.
That's why upcasting, downcasting has been taught to you in inheritance chapter.
Hmm.
So guys, you got the little bit idea about in filter you can do anything. Remember, sometimes your IP is blocked. How it is done? Filter. Got it or got confused? No.
We need to practice with the filter thing.
Of course, man,
Yeah.
everything. So we have done two things. First of all, we have done authentication with database, right? So please
Yes.
go and make your hand dirty. From tomorrow, what we are going to start? Spring.
Spring.
And somebody wants to learn in advance, already I pasted one recording. Please go and watch it. So let me stop my session till here. So guys, I have done with this two part today. One, we have done authentication with database for the login page. Second, we have done with filter. If filter flow is not clear, let me know, right? When you make a call to the server, first of all, it will go to filter, right? After filter, suppose you are calling a servlet or you are calling any GSP. First of all, your call will come to filter, right? Filter will decide further if your call should go to the requested resource or not. Are you following me? So here we have the logic. So filter is one of the, I think, important topic in GSP Servlet. So in GSP Servlet, today we have learned many things. How many scope we have? 4. Page,
Request,
request,
session, and
session.
application.
So you know request only. I will teach you session and application soon. So guys, I think it is enough for today. I'm just stopping my session till here. In next session, we'll go with Spring. So again, I'm saying, if you know this much, you can do anything. So please note down somewhere. Because in Spring, whatever code you have done, it will be just be in one line. Oh my God! So Spring is going to make your job super duper
Easy.
Easy.
easy. Oh my God! So far we are doing toughest job. Yes, it is the toughest thing you have done so far. That's what I'm saying. This is the biggest hurdle. If you can cross this, you can cross anything, right? So please go and just make your hand dirty by doing the practice. So thank you so much. Let me stop the recording. Thank